So if you've ever watched TV late at night, I'm sure you've seen my buddy Phil Swift from Flex Seal. You know, he fixes boats and does stuff underwater with his bevy of products. Well, I looked high and low. I looked at dozens of caulk and adhesive and glue, and I needed a fast drying rubberized adhesive that kind of takes the place of mud from drywall, and I found it with Flex Glue. So normally you don't, it's a very safe product. You can get it on your fingers, but we supply 4 individual gloves, and so I just think safety first. It's a very safe thing, but it could be a little messy. And here's what happens: you get someone on your fingers, and then you're like, oh, I'll just, and pretty soon your spouse or your kids are like, Dad, where's your bib? So that's why I like having the gloves, because you get some on your gloves, you'll just pitch the gloves. So the cool thing about this white rubberized Flex Glue is it's ideal for filling the holes so you don't see them. So it's just a matter of going up and squeezing. Spacer comes into play because you can. That hole's gone. Looks like it was part of the wall.